Hello, my newly honored friends.
Your Majesty.
We understand that with Crawford Starrick gone, a certain secret society finds itself searching for leadership. An upstart faction seeks to enter London and seize power.
Do you feel your life is in danger, ma'am?
No. Rather, I fear that the people of this grand city may suffer. I call upon you to foil this traitorous plot.
You can depend on us.
You will meet my loyal aide at the docks for instructions. Your work begins immediately.
You won't find better!
I am Alfred Fleming. I run Her Majesty's Secret Service. First things first, we need to clear the area of anything that might alarm the enemy. Like that police carriage. Would you kindly dispose of it?
Come on. Roll there.
Good work. Now, my agents are here, disguised as civilians. Get them into position for our ambush. The ship will soon arrive from Boston. Its cargo, Dynamite. Its crew, Templar. What say you to greeting it with an ambush?
If we must, we must. Don't do anything rash, all right? Come on! Let's have them!
Like the dog Shilly-shally! I'll teach you some manners! Wait! Not looking so tough now, are ya?
That is a doornail.
You can go.
That's their leader. I want him brought to me at the station, alive.
Would you care to tell me your plans?
Go to hell!
Now.
Starrick may be dead and gone, but the Templar Order will never die. We will rise again, like a phoenix from the ashes, bring the world to its knees.
Yes, well, best of luck with that.
Thank you. I'll carry on from here. My people are recovering their explosive cargo. You did fine work today. I will have a chat with our distinguished guest here to see what schemes he and his friends are brewing.
Do let me know if he says anything interesting.
Of course.